asked my wife to test this blow dryer brush and the straightener from Shark to see if it's worth the price. And honestly, I never seen something like this before. It does blow dry the hair super fast and easy because of its amazing design and the fan placement. And also you can change the mode to a straightener, so you can iron your hair when you're done blow drying. It heats up super fast and it's ready to go. She mentioned that she likes it because it just makes her process super easy after the shower, and one device does both for her and it's just easy to use. And the results speak for themselves. If you're interested in something like this, I'm going to tag it down here in the shopping cart. Grab it before it sells out.